Can't seem to get enough of our pamac exercises here. So this is pamac AOR, that will be the default starting from the beginning of 2024. It just has one thing, AOR, and that's all we need. That's all we've had the first 6 years of the project. And due to issues of pamac AOR, we started creating our own ArcoLinux pamac-all. So this is what you'll get. And what if, right? What if you do say, I want pamac-all? I've just made a video for that. But there's one more, pamac-all-git. I want to try that out, and then we have tested everything we can test, and then the fun is gone. So if we do number 2, and we try to build this, and mind you, important, the ArcoLinux repos are present. And let's see if this gives us an issue, because it gave an issue if we had pamac-all. This is pamac-all-git. Now one of the best things, and I've not done that, is remove anything you have already. Right? If you say pamac needs to go, well, remove it. I have not done that. So let's see what happens. And here we have our first issue, and then we will install that one as well. I really need to clean up my cache files. Sorry. As you can see, Yay is in here, Paru is in here, the cache. Clean it out so it can start again from scratch. So let's do it how it's supposed to do. Clean sudo pacman -remove the s pamac AOR, and let's see, libpamac AOR is gone as well, so that's what I wanted to know. Otherwise I'll do sudo pacman -r libpamac AOR as well. Let's do paru, it doesn't really matter. Paru -s pamac-all-git. So now it knows exactly what package I want, and it's gonna try and then get everything in and build everything. But I'm really making the mistakes, right? And see what happens. In pamac-all we needed to remove these guys. Let's see if that's still the case for pamac-all-git. All right. That's easier. Pamac-all-git seems to be easier than the other one. So whatever they do in the build, we do have enable AOR support, and we do have this one and this one. So I'm not mistaken, I have not done anything wrong. Then it's actually easier to install the ArcoLinux pamac-all-git. And then remember to do an up-all, right? Because with the up, there's one application coming from there. And it's already jumping. That's strange. From 7 to 10. So we're actually building already to a newer version. And everything is still working. It is still working. I can't see anything here. Too bad. And there we go. So yes, if asked, I will say install pamac-all-git, because we did not have to remove these 3 guys in the build, and which makes it less complex for people. Pamac-all-git there. libpamac full. What happens if we remove it? Sudo pacman -remove s pamac-all-git is gonna get rid of that. Snapd flatpak is there, yeah. Libpamac full is there. Sure, get rid of it. And now sudo pacman -s pamac-all, which is on our repo. And 2 of them come from our repo, and the others are ArcoLinux guys. And that is easy. That is easy. We're back here. And when I say paru again, here's the reference, here's the number. Let's see. Let's play around, let's keep playing till it breaks. So if it breaks, remove everything, also the cache files inside home cache, paru, yay, delete it, start again. Remove repos that might conflict it because we're just talking about this one, but there's Endeavor, Garuda, right? There's more that might be on your system. So here an error, so it's just not that simple. So I need to first say pacman -remove, and then pamac-all, and please all the rest dependencies as well. Sure. And then we do pamac-all-git again. Let's see. Done. And we have back the other one, pamac-all-git, right? Okay, getting the hang of it. So sudo pacman -rs pamac-all-git. You're out again, and we're going back to sudo pacman -s pamac-all. That's in again. All right, having fun. Third party, yes. Then the next day you boot up again, and then you're wondering, is pamac still there? Is it still working? And thank God, right? What would I have done if it was not working? And it's on. And then you investigate. So if you do refresh databases, 1, 2, 3, refresh databases. Let's see if AOR comes to the list. No. Close. Open. And well, I guess we don't see AOR like this, but if we start typing, there he is. So if we do the search, if you go in search, then he's available. So I use Spotify to have a look at AOR, lots of things, lots of icons, lots of themes, also grub themes, lots of software, and that's why we love AOR. And with this now, it's a little bit faster to boot up. And yes, it's still black. Yes, that's how we like it. All right, enjoy ArcoLinux, enjoy the learning. And pamac-all is possible. Pamac-all will be the default. Cheers.